Fast guy slash girl stuff, okay.
Is that lavish?
What's up, YouTube? It's more live just hopping on, coming at you guys with another video. Alright guys, I'm coming at you guys with a little something different today. We're gonna be going to Mexico right now, and we're gonna be riding 1,000 horsepower Mustang. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys are new. Turn on notifications too, so I don't have to keep spamming you guys. But yeah guys, we're gonna hop straight into the video. As you guys know, the Mustang's down, so we're taking the Hellcat again. Haven't started this thing in a minute. Hopefully it starts first try. Prime this thing at E85. Oh, you guys already know we're at the E85 station. Ran into my boy's V right here. Wet. Oh, I didn't even open up the gas tank. I be tripping. About to open this thing up. Dang, I be paying more for gas on this car than my own. My boy Mr. Hellcat, as always. Appreciate him. About to head out to Mexico right now. Alright guys, we just touched down in Mexico right now. Oh yeah, we just take down in Mexico. Okay. Let me see the lineup. Okay, we got the box out here. We got the fast guy thing. Okay. The big body up in this thing.
It's a little dirty.
No, it's all good. The fresh detail on it. V-locks. We gonna be riding this thing or what?
I'm a little scared of this.
I would too. It's some real power.
Bruh, her 6-speed, bro. It ain't like the auto. The auto just put you in your seat. It's gonna beat you up.
Yeah, nah, I'm gonna have to get a neck brace after this.
Yeah, hey, for T56 though, it does shift a little smoother. Like it can handle it.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
She'll show you.
It's good, come on. The vlog. Whoa. Not ready for it?
Let me introduce her. Now batting, the power hitter.
Alright.
Number 1, Kelly V.
Money. That's done to it.
So this is a normal 5.0?
It's all stock. That's
Okay,
the stock intake manifold, obviously, as you can see.
Yeah.
Straight from the factory.
Yep.
I'm kidding. Okay, so internals were done. So it has cams, it has gears, wheel gears, pumps, everything's been upgraded, rings, head studs, obviously ARP bolts, everything you need to throw boost at it. It has the 4 Innovation fuel pump system, dual pump, so it's got a return. I pulley down from the stock pulley that the whipple comes with. It's actually a very conservative tune. It's only on E85. It's 15 pounds of boost. What it's getting me number-wise is really impressive.
Okay. You have a little preview of those numbers, or?
I don't have no dyno sheets.
Oh, okay.
I do have dyno sheets.
Okay. Well, you lost them?
No, I didn't lose them. It has 3 tunes, so that's what's going on.
Okay.
It has 3 tunes. I have 2 for 1 pulley, and then kill mode.
Oh, we're on kill mode today.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So this is the last time. It just came back from the shop actually, because I got some upgrades done to it.
Okay.
I upgraded the tranny from the MT82 to the T56 XL.
Oh, I need that.
Yeah, you do. I got the FGW shifter, the short throw upgraded. This time around, I also did something I needed to do that I hadn't done, was suspension, so I upgraded my half shafts.
Oh yeah.
And bushings and everything. So wheel hop should be very minimal now, if existent.
Okay, got you. This is our first ride in it?
Yeah.
Good, I'll
it
try it out
is
with
actually, I kid you not, Builder brought it on Saturday. We had hella going on, and I haven't actually gotten to enjoy it yet. So you're gonna go with me, and we might die.
Alright guys, we're about to get a cold start. Full course of everything. As you guys remember, I had that a very long time ago. I'll show you guys a little bit of that. What the? Boom. So yeah, we're about to see what this thing sounds like.
What's your
Custom jug? Fast guy slash girl stuff. Okay. Fill her up there. Oh, it's too loud. You gotta push it out through the driveway. Alright guys, we're probably gonna switch over to the GoPro in a second just so we don't have all these bright lights. So yeah, I'll see y'all on the outside. I love how the course sounds. It's been so long since I heard it.
Alright, when I say I just got this bag, it literally came off the dyno, so we don't have power steering.
Oh, oh, you wasn't joking. You just got the thing back.
I don't lie. It's gonna be a little rough, so we gotta keep it straight because the lack of power steering right now.
Oh, it's all good. Alright guys, we're back to this camera. I just wanna make sure we get some good audio for you guys. Roll out the window, no wind or anything.
I need it for a second. Mine is too dark, I can't see.
Man, I feel that 5% tint.
That tinted window problem. That's the only way I can get the race in.
Oh,
because they don't see I'm a girl, right?
Oh, yeah.
The car is all blacked out, hella macho.
Oh, yeah.
And then after the run, I roll down the window. And he was like, what the fuck?
Has that actually happened before?
Yeah.
A lot of times?
Yeah.
Dang. I bet. I'd be shook. I thought, what the I was trying to sneak past the cops. Of course, the extremes are no joke.
The RPM's low.
Yeah, and you'll make it through. All this construction, y'all, there's not a lot of space in Mexico. It's all good, it should clear up soon.
That was nice. It was pretty clean.
How's it feel?
Hey, we didn't get nasty back there.
I was about to say, it's been a while since you've driven it, huh?
Had this been the first setup, we would have lost it. I was getting real.
That's crazy.
Jiggy with it big time. I would have been holding on to that.
Oh yeah, no, this thing pulls though, okay. Oh yeah, that first gear too. Yeah, and I can feel that instant torque, like for the blower. That's hard. I was shook when that person was flashing his lights. I was like, what?
This is that tractor.
Oh, okay. Tractor. That's dope. Okay.
That's That's the dope. That's what it's about. Where you see another female and doing something in a male dominant aspect. That's dope.
No, that's dope for sure. Alright guys, we're about to swap places. I'm about to see what this thing does. Ooh. Okay. Hey, well,
Yep.
I already got it rolling.
Alright, he's got it rolling. I'm about to treat him to let him test drive this. He's missing his car right now, so it's the least I could do, you know. He's doing this video.
No, I appreciate it. So right now?
Yeah, rip it.
That's a left?
Yeah, do a U-turn.
Oh, you already tell. I was like, damn. Yeah, this bitch is no joke. The torque is different on this because I have the Pro Charger, so like the top end is like insane, but like off hit, it does not hit like this one at all.
Nope, definitely not.
It does not hit like this one. That caught me by surprise. That's why I let off.
It's funny, and I never tell people this because I always love. It's a joy for me to see that reaction out of people because they don't realize my power setup. Like I said, it's a track car.
Yeah.
So you know I'm getting out that tree.
Oh yeah, for sure.
With power.
I'm about to say you might lift the tires on this thing. I can't lie, those front wheels probably lifting. How did it feel being passenger in your own car?
It's always nice to get to enjoy it the way people say.
Stop playing. You were scared as
I was about to say, she said, you breaking by? I was like, yeah. That's why I was like, all right, let me let off real quick. Make sure I got it. After all those hits, dang, this thing's cold.
Damn, bro.
That's insane. Killer Chiller is no joke, for real. Oh yeah, I had to cop some. Ooh, I had to leave my mark real quick before I dipped out. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You got him over here recording me in the back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, drop a like, comment, subscribe if you guys enjoyed. And I'm out. Peace.